One of the most popular items with E-Track, A-Track, X-Track is the ratchet strap. It's got a spring-loaded E-fitting on each end. Again, that works in E-Track, A-Track, or X-Track, as long as it has a rectangular slot. The way you use these is simply depress the spring-loaded end, lock the fixed end into the track, pull out most of the tension, and then ratchet until tight. On E-Track straps, there's basically two parts. There's the fixed end, the part that's sewn from the fitting for the ratchet, and then what we would call the loose end, which is the adjustable end. Standard fixed end length on E-Track straps is 4 foot. That's somewhat industry standard. They're also available in a 2 foot and a 1 foot fixed end for different length. When ratcheting the strap for optimum tightness, optimum tension, the ideal number of wraps around the mandrel, the center part of the ratchet, is 2 to 4 wraps. That's what WSTDA recommends for maximum tension. Appropriate tension is 2 to 4 wraps around the mandrel when ratcheting tight. To release a ratchet strap, simply pull on the release lever on the handle and open the handle all the way back. You'll hear it pop loose. Leave that handle all the way flat and simply pull on the ratchet to release the tension. Once that handle is open all the way back, it releases the mandrel to free spin, so you can easily release the tension. Then depress the spring on the E-fitting and remove it from the track.